My EHD 4100 assignment 2 poses a problem to students. The problem is that students are a sustainability officer. The council have been advocating to reduce wastage and therefore accepting donations of clothing that is no longer wearable. Students are required to repurpose the material, and this assignment connects to the design and technologies curriculum through knowledge and understanding and processes and production skills. So the assignment begins by students investigating materials and their properties. They are also required to identify components of objects. They are therefore developing specific learning area vocabulary, and then they are also identifying opportunities for designing, and they explore and test a variety of materials and tools. They then go on to look at the role of a designer. They recognize what designers do, how they design things to meet a need, for example, sustainability, which is the focus of this assignment. They also evaluate ideas by going out into the school and taking photos of suggestions around the school, such as recycling bins, compost bins, and vegetable gardens. Then they go on to look at how sustainability affects the designs of products. They evaluate the safety of tools that they need to use. They also develop a presentation, a multimodal presentation, and write a letter to council. So our assignment also links to the English curriculum. Students present their ideas to the class. So they collaborate in groups, they design and brainstorm their idea, they create a labelled sketch of their assignment, of their solution, and they discuss how the properties of the material add to its functionality and how repurposing an item supports sustainability. In their group, this is an example of one solution which caters for the diverse needs in the classroom, as students are given an example that they can use, or they can think of their own idea in their group. Students also evaluate and reflect on their design, how they met the design brief, if it is a sustainable solution, and then they are assessed on their collaborating and management through the final product, as well as their ICT presentation. The series of lessons cross-curriculum priority is sustainability, because students are obviously looking at reducing waste and how excessive waste affects our community and what we can do to be more sustainable.